my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing from pettreater. But this is an interesting circumstance. So I did notice that this past month, others were getting 3 toys in their bags, and I only received 2, and I pay for toys only, which is $18 a month. The $15 a month will give you 2 toys and 2 treats, but we give our babies quite a few treats as it is. I don't need any more, so that's why I opted for the toys only, and then that way you get 3 toys each month. Now they also have a $25 box, and that's for multiple animals in your home. So I reached out to customer service and said, I only received 2 toys. Is it better for me to downgrade to get the toys and the treats? Why am I paying more for less items? And they said that I was supposed to receive a 3rd toy. So they said they would just go ahead and send it out. So here is the bag. I just got it. Now it looks like they threw me a bone, so to speak. So let's see. So there's no paperwork or anything in the bag, but this is what was missing. This little carrot is what was missing. So they sent this to make up for it. And they also sent Looney's Happy Tails. This looks like a snake. What is that? With a tail, okay? It's durable thread stitching, reinforced inner liner added. See, a unique material which allows us to print bold designs that your pet will love. I don't know, is it for our pet or is it for us? Reinforced liner, the protective liner helps add durability to our plush toys. And there's DuraThread stitching that helps to reinforce and strengthen the edges. So yeah, I got an extra just because they forgot to put the carrot in the bag. So they gave me an extra one. That's great. So my first issue in customer service is wonderful. I'm very happy with that. So yeah, I mean, I reached out to them, you know, I noticed, do I need to change my plan, whatever. And they're like, no, we'll send you the carrot, no problem. And they give me an extra. I mean, that's really good customer service if you ask me. But I thought I would share that with you and let you know how great that was. So yes, thank you for coming by. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.